Money in pockets often translates to better health for families, educated children, lower birth rates, and generally sustainable communities. Nevertheless, progress toward poverty reduction remains lopsided across social-economic groups in many parts of Africa, and particularly in the sub-Saharan region. In Kenya, children born in minority groups are historically disadvantaged and have limited lifespan due to unlimited access to basic needs.
A child born in Moyale and a child born in Bomet are very different in terms of access opportunities.
The World Bank Global Director for Poverty and Equity Global Practice, Dr. Luis Felipe, shared his concerns that there was a significant increase in global poverty levels for the first time since World War II. Speaking on the Correction Course on Poverty and Shared Prosperity of 2022 at the University of Nairobi, Dr. Felipe further indicated that the COVID-19 pandemic dealt a heavy blow on the economy of different countries.
Due to the pandemic and the economic consequences of the pandemic, we had the highest increase in poverty during 2020. We debated how to say this. We wanted to say since World War II.
Although COVID-19 derailed the World Bank's goal of eradicating poverty and ensuring equal distribution of resources by 2030, economic growth remains an important objective to any country. Dr. Felipe noted that it is possible to eradicate poverty if countries aim at increasing productivity and develop fiscal policy reforms that can help end poverty.
Business as usual is not going to work for poverty eradication. We need to think and fine-tune the policies if we really want to achieve that goal.
Cushioning impoverished farmers is vital, especially due to the ongoing climatic changes. Providing quality seeds that are drought-resistant will help reduce the adverse effects of drought and eradicate poverty.
We need to address the question of quality seeds, the question of quality inputs that do not have adverse effects on the environment.
The World Bank's support in Kenya and other countries in the sub-Saharan region are perceived in both educational and industrial sectors.
We had an information session for the World Bank Young Professionals that was led by a young man by the name Agufana Obed, who was a chief HR here in Kenya. And that has really benefited the student because now they know more about the World Bank, they know the application process, the opportunities therein, and how to apply.
In the words of Nelson Mandela, poverty is not an accident. Like slavery and apartheid, it is man-made and can be removed by the actions of human beings.